Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Financial Climbs, and today we're going to be discussing what everyone's thinking about. Why has the Tesla stock crashed? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down what's going on, why the market's reacting the way it is, and do a bit of graph analysis on Tesla to see where that leaves us today. So kicking us off then, the Tesla stock's down 17% as the Musk-Trump breakup is starting to worry Wall Street. This is a massive sell-off, guys, 17%. The share closed yesterday just above $332, but right now we're seeing price action at $274. If we have a look at what's going on in the news, we're seeing that Musk is saying that the Trump is in the Epstein files and that's why they haven't been released. The war of words is going both ways. So Trump's pushing back and threatening to cut Elon Musk's government contracts. That's massive. That's going to be a massive hit for Elon Musk as well, because he relies on subsidies for his Tesla company too, and it could have big impact on the company's profits, and hence we're seeing this price action. What we've also seen is this spat is extending into outer space as NASA are looking at their new administrator. Initially, Trump was looking to put in his good friend Jared Isaacman, and Trump had even nominated him before he took office. This would have been massive for for Elon Musk's company SpaceX, and it would have allowed him a good in to get a number of contracts with NASA. And now all of that is at threat. So interesting position we find ourselves in. If we move over to the actual graph itself, we can see that in the 1 day, you can see the sharp decline, guys, from yesterday's close at $322 all the way down to 284. We saw a mini recovery happen over the last hour or so, but it's not looking good. What this does tell us is the news is heavily influencing the Tesla stock. If we look across the 5 days, it looks like the news of the breakout between Trump and Elon was starting to materialize, and hence we saw this downward price action, but nowhere as steep as we've seen over the last 24 hours. This is a big turnaround to the last month where we were seeing steady growth in the Tesla stock, all the way down from 280 up towards 362. So big shock for the company, albeit quite volatile. So where does this leave us in the sort of 1 year picture for Tesla? Well, as you've seen, it has seen a lot of growth this year over the last year, but now we seem to be in this almost permanent decline, and you can see the lines not looking too good there, guys. If we have a look at the year range, we find ourselves in the middle of that at the moment, and it'd be great to hear from you whether you think we're heading down towards closer to 167, or in fact whether this is just another news story and we'll see this die down with prices resuming. That's currently where we see ourselves with the graph analysis. What I would like to hear is more from you in terms of what you think about the Tesla stock right now, what you think about the feud between Elon Musk and Donald Trump, and who you think is going to win and come up on top. That's it for today, guys. Just a quick wrap up and show you a little bit about what's going on. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the page. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just my views on the markets. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you soon.